No done that gun. Rock and come in people no like and share. Me not tap chat at one time, me a chat, me not chat two. Rock and blood clot coming over here, so. Tanya open up the page, make anybody want to come over, make them come over.
It open already.
Me and nothing they hide. Rock and blood clot coming, come out clear the way. You blood clot cow shit face brass. Me they go drop out my address. I'm gonna tell you where my blood clot live in Germany. And me I go tell you where me born and blood clot grow. I'm gonna want to see the pussy send who fi come. Cause they find me make it clear me I candy don't have nothing. Me no candy what's your name diary no have nothing. Me in a diary war. Dirty brass. Cow face brass. Remember you the compound blood clot like don't tell me say trending say all this blood clot is because trending. When you know the girl never say nothing dirty brass, so you me like me not like you. Dirty stinking rotten old brass, so you me a class come kill me. Me live a Candles gas and 9A 3563 Gießen, Germany. Me I give it to blood clot yo. Me born and grew up at one place near Kingsville in Hanover. Go check that. So when a girl said and go drop out my mother no fuck girl. No man never take me man to take me man for California here. So a girl when a girl go drop out address, me no wanted. I mean have a thing a blood clot hide. Me never run left no crime case. Me never run left no murder blood clot case. Me never run left nothing in a come German in a blood clot. Me I go talk out of my mouth. Suck wood brass. You company life and tell me say. Tanya tell us me drop out the dirty Batman them paper and then me drop it out, me supposed to out me address. Me live a Candace gas and 9 blood clot. Germany geese. Let me give it to blood clot because me have nothing to hide, me no wanted. Me have no outstanding case, me have no fraud case, me have nothing blood clot standing. Me file clean. Suitcase face blood clot, brass me tell that you lift up off a blood clot me. Uno dirty Batman, uno walk and want big problem with people. Uno pick and want argument with girl. I mean buy you know, I mean carry no. Uno can't rub me out. No girl can't rub me out because they don't know no secret for me. Uno will a blood clot bill for me tell that.
Nah, read the comment. Big up yourself, Joe.
Uno lift up half of my blood clot. Lift up half of me. Me and Diary don't have nothing. Me and Candy don't have nothing. A dirty brass me an address. I mean, me clear the airway with you now. When name Diary. Me never in no group. Tanya send out the blood clot picture them. And me have it Tanya never send it to me. We say, we call it publisher man or whatever. That's a fee and Tanya business. Me tell that uno lift up half of me now. Any side no one pick. Me have my own big blood clot woman. Me a subtract shit. Remember God take a multiply. Me know me can't multiply for me a blood clot, subtract and divide shit. So a girl can't tell me nothing. Asylum me come blood clot seat, me never hide it. And if when a girl say no drop up my mama address, my mama live in Atlanta. So if you find the Atlanta address and drop that out, my mama have no secret. Cause no man never take me mother for California yet a blood clot. And me never cuss me mama. So Bob they can't follow me a blood clot. You know always want to argument with people. I mean not in no argument with you know. You know try to come on life and bring me down. I'ma just keep my blood clot distance. Me talk to any girl I want to talk to. Cause you never ban me say. My address is blood clot. Candles gas 9R or 9A. I'm not giving a German. I'm giving a English. 9A 3536 Gießen, Germany. That's my address. And my name, if you don't want it, I can't give you no two. My name is Ruan. We have nothing a blood clot hide. That's my name. I'm a born and grew up. When I want place down a country named Kingsville. Run I want part when I want. What you say?
No, Sagittarius, so she can't see the life. But remember, me a black car, me a black Sagittarius.
Me born and grew when I want place in Kingsville. And everybody around the so know who me is. Me never hide no story. Me never fabricate no blood clot story. Me never kill no man. Me never run no left no fraud case. Me never run no left no blood clot case. I me no run no left no when me come to Germany come seek asylum. I'm happy. I'm alright. I'm moving on to higher heights. When we soon know about it, a blood clot. So therefore and then, me I clear the area with diary part. Tanya never send your man picture come to me for me publish your man. And therefore them me no want your man. I mean not entertain your man. I mean no never blackmail your man. When me talk say, do not send out the man because the man not in a this. If Tanya want put it out, Tanya one big blood clot woman me can control Tanya and tell Tanya what the blood clot do. One arm me say me chat to anybody when me want chat up on social media. Any girl who want me on the platform block me blood clot page. Do the honors and block me page. Cause me and no girl on social media no have no argument. Me jump on any live and what anybody. Oh dear blood clot, you dirty brass. Wagga wagga blood clot brass. So you me a address. Oh dear blood clot, you talk about me work undercover. What kind of undercover? Me no blood clot here brass. Me no underclot, me public. Me public no blood clot. So yeah, your body man for naked blood clot chunk. Big blood clot England spread brass so your pussy cover your blood clot. Don't come to me your blood clot. Come in never go and knock your yard yet. Go piece them bed. You go up a blood clot and you go with any bed. Don't come to blood clot man. And that me blood clot say dirty brass. Lift up half of me blood clot name. Lift up half of me. Lift up half of me yet a blood clot. Cause you never see me come in your inbox come beg you no PayPal. I no beg you nothing yet a blood clot. Cause you're the richest and you're still every day in a bag and make a blood clot.
Add antidote. Wait.
Then must somebody call me. Then must somebody call me say the woman over there they rob me. Who must be have all the blood clot in my inbox? Must somebody rob me? Who no can rob me a blood clot? I no want no secret for me. No girl no want no bill for me like a blood clot. I'm talk already and help reason make me come a blood clot Germany. Okay, so no girl can't say me I never book up on no clinic or no blood clot and a health reason make me in a yeah.
We can't add down.
Me never run a left no case. So anybody got chat, say no put out me mother, put her out a blood clot. And me say, me mother never fuck a girl yet. Me man never take a dildo in her pussy. Straight stiff blood clot, natural out to her blood clot. And her good bring blood clot like she not bring no handicap, she not bring no blood clot. The farm come here. I want blood clot per sick upon you and me. And me bring the blood clot them. Cause God take a multiply and me go subtract shit. So one you can't tell me. Not the blood clot book, you can't tell me. Me tell that uno now. Lift up half a blood clot me. You can't drop out nothing cause no one no blood clot bill for me. I mean never cost me mama yet a blood clot. So me a go to me address me say me born and grow down I want part down I want place near Kingsvale. And I can spell it for you spell Kingsvale. Kingsvale Hanover. Ask any blood clot body. And me run with from they come a blood clot Germany. And me address of Germany is Candice Gasa 9A 3536 G for the blood clot. We have nothing to hide. So if you don't want to send the gunman, the arms those, the robber, the thief, suck out man, the shit hole, the body hole, every blood clot will come for me. And one life we have a blood clot live at airport, me call my life at airport arrival and blood clot departure. So me arrive, me must expect some me have to depart no blood clot. So they come tell me. When they come blood clot tell me. Me tell that no lift up and me chat to any girl and me pick any blood clot side because me see I see all on the pick side. So any blood clot side no one pick me any type of blood clot pick side because they don't never pay me blood clot here come a blood clot Germany. When me both blood clot Lufthansa come here.
Make them know.
So no girl can control me a blood clot. Because me never beg no girl yet. Me file clean. So a girl want me and them feel good on the road. Them a pick, you know what? No girl no want to build for me. No batty boy! No want to build for me. And that me blood clot say. No one no secret for me coming on a shame in my blood clot game. Because me can't talk about anything. Because me not have nothing a blood clot. If they don't come and make problem with me, if they don't want to come with minister blood clot, parasite to lift up half a blood clot me. A long time I don't want to show, so I'm going to give you no show. I don't want entertainment, I'm going to give you no enter blood clottainment. Yeah, that uno now. Uno ever me push out what kind of address. Any address me can push it out a blood clot coming on. If me the hide Mono come on social media. Mono make nobody know me address if me never run left no court case, never run left no murder case. Me never do no blood clot. We can me fingerprint and clean a blood clot Jamaica and it cleaning a blood clot Germany. Me don't have no record, me don't no criminal record. The file clean. Cause me a blood clot record, me couldn't work at the hospital, no blood clot.
True.
Man, nobody take no set for me. Me pick any side and me chat to any what kind of undercover me a blood clot. Keep me your brass. You come from blood clot social media and tell me say trending blood clot. Say me cuss trending. And me tell trending say me blood clot search and me get to the nitty-gritty trending never say nothing like that. A blood clot, brass, you always say here. Everybody ever they come to blood clot, your father, oh, and you're the blood clot priest. Broad face, conscience face, blood clot, brass. You're the priest for people if you come to confess the blood clot, you play blood clot innocent like you never do nothing yet. Dirty murderer, dirty blood clot, brass. And you me auntie, me no like your Gyal. Me no like your blood clot, your wet bed no blood clot. Me never go on no Gyal yard yet, so they fuck me off and me piss them bed no blood clot. Brass your rank. Brass your rank no blood clot. Brass your see me like a them golden age blood clot, man away pampas.
No.
You come for blood clot, me don't come for me chat to any girl one blood clot to me. I no girl for social media. But me and you know nothing girl, me and them not many girl and nothing. When me come out and me talk say, then if you talk about the enemy about blood clot them. Me don't know nothing about this woman man. Me not interested if you push out this woman man. Any woman have nothing.
But me and your friend
Oh,
for 2
Brash
years.
can't do me. Brash can't get the blood clot. I just got Germany. Find me. Easier find that Germany. You the cross the blood clot bad and me can come to England. So we can blood clot kill me, Brash. When all the Jewish them, all of your blood clot, this is tribal, all the blood clot, tribe of Israel come to come kill me, Brash. Cause remember one life me blood clot have. Me believe in the blood clot here. Once you arrive, you have the blood clot depart.
Talk out of your mouth. Look, see there's Sagittarius step on my page. So I don't know why she can't
blood
see me
clot.
Cause me not
Send him never send no I see a come to Tanya tell her say me drop out blood clot. This child pick this child document and I put the content that coming on and make channel no document. Look here mix me up me chat to anybody who want blood clot chat to. Uno blood clot I uno pay me blood clot one time I uno pay O2. I uno pay blood clot O2. My army say any girl no want me on them page. Lift me off, rest me off, no blood clot. All of the black and the blood clot, cement for the hardware and black out the blood clot. Simple, me no girl and no. Me go me watch any blood clot live and watch all the passa and pick out what the Judas and see what the blood clot Judas. Right. Everybody can the blood clot say kill. If everybody say kill, all the one with blood clot done. Somebody have to cry peace and always want to drop people on the Mexico and no bag on the blood clot. Dirty Brash, you see me work undercover. What kind of blood clot undercover me a blood clot you? Me not time for blood clot your Brash. Me come to Germany for a better life and me now make the better life pass me a blood clot Brash abe.
The way Brash wicked Brash tell life and all.
You couldn't make me confused and me get to the crossroad a blood clot. Me tell you know. Me tell the blood clot you. Me tell the blood clot you man. Lift up half of me man. You can't tell me not cussing no blood clot Gyal. You come, you can't pay nobody if you cuss me.
You don't know what the problem is.
Half them blood clot, Cause no girl no want no docket for blood clot. Me no girl no draw no docket for me. No girl never follow me go a docket, you go draw no blood clot. But no girl never see me take no blood clot.
You can't change. That's why I don't upset.
But you will drop out family. What kind of family you can't drop out? Me man has something to hide. First of all, no batty boy can't come on the ends round there, sir. Any batty boy come on there, boom, 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 bye bye, no batty boy, blood clot. It's man of a dead, no parasite.
Talk out of your good mouth, my sister.
Una blood clot
Love,
parasite. Una fi
love
walk
me
and buy
and
your everybody.
Barracuda.
Una fi walk and buy your
Yeah.
every Tory
She
and
fi
say everything. Me never come to cuss the diary. Me never
yeah.
cuss diary. Me
Yeah.
wrong. Cause diary never interfere with me. Mommy come out and talk. Me and diary not have nothing. I want to walk and want make blood clot. Probably tell the woman about me I work undercover. I undercover me a blood clot. What? Don't call me name dirty blood clot. Cultured face brass.
I'm
The face about them
supposed to
big blood
give
clot. Long time
my
England blood
friend your
clot
man
song.
picture.
Don't call me name dirty brass. Don't call
No
me name.
why me give
Come
your
never go
blood
on the girl
clot,
yard yet
man.
go piss them
Come
blood
off of my
clot
blood
bed.
clot.
Then they go for Annie go wet Annie bed. Your wet bed no blood clot.
Shall mix up, man.
Blood clot, you know, come and tell the people and say, you tell me to trending at your address. My address trending story while you blood clot, say, Brash said, pan live. And you know the girl never say blood clot, no. But who you know me a blood clot trending, chat you want come make problem. Me a trending a best in a blood clot. Brash,
Nice big woman.
ugly in a blood clot. I want to go to Brixton Zoo. I make the little pretty them in a blood clot, England. Mac and two banana skin for your blood clot. I am Deborah Brash. I am ugly. A blood
This
clot.
big ugly
The nose big
buffalo
like a Pinocchio.
soldier.
This funnel blood clot nose. This was blood clot. Dirty Brash. How dare you? Lightning and thunderball blood clot nose Brash. Who tell you come to blood clot, me? Me so far from me coming and work no undercover. Come here no undercover no blood clot. You're undercover because you're a drug dealer. You're a mule dealer. Who can't rub me no blood clot. I guess what? For the day me sit out and make man fuck me no shame in my blood clot game. Every day come and take set from blood clot. Me lift up for me to come my blood clot name dirty woman. Don't call me come in know you from nowhere. Me live on up here, you know recording with me. You know no screenshot with blood clot. Me file clean. I mean no Judas. You want Annie fuck you with boardhood. You not get no fuck that's for your pussy miserable and torment. You not for your big cow pussy not get no
Down
fuck.
to the white
For your
police
wagga
them
wagga
fi tell
pussy not
life
get no
one.
fuck. A girl pussy what they get fuck. No torment and bagga like a blood clot yo. Better call me name about Gyal. Give the address
I
let me give me.
short
Brass if I didn't get
JVR
it, let me give it to
sister.
your blood clot again. Me live let me take time here, me can get it good you know. Me live a Candace Garza 9A. Brass 3536 Gieße, Germany. Okay? So, who they get the address can take because they know the house, so they can carry you come there. Okay? Fine. And if you want me to get the directions, when you come at Frankfurt Airport, otherwise Frankfurt Flughafen, when me get in a German and English, you can't laugh. Take one train from the Frankfurt Airport. Then say they come at Gießen. Let me tell you which train come the RE30, RE98. And the ticket is €15. I think that maybe £12 or £13 or £14, something like so. One of them. So you can find me. Me not hard to find. I'm at work at the hospital. Okay? So find me. You can't make me lose me what that a one thing me know. That a one blood clotting me know. Okay? So Brass, please don't come for me because I never send for blood clot. You remember you tell me on live? Say beautiful trending was pretty trending chrome no blood clot. Missy trending me a trending the video call. Trending a brown nice blood clot girl trending brown like a the angel. The blood clot trending pretty. Dirty Brash, the girl color you go Jaffa. Lift up half for me, Dirty Brash, man. Talk call me blood clot name. I never see the chat but me work undercover. Nobody can kill me. Nobody can kill me because guess what, Brass? Me make up my mind for dead anytime. Because of one life you have to blood clot live. Kill like today, kill like two, you can't kill like tomorrow. Me tell you, Brass. Lift up half for me. Lift up half for blood clot me, Brass. Your torment. Your bagger, Brass. Go take care of your little your grandchildren. Be careful of generational curse, Brass. Me not show me that go breed nobody, you know. Me not show me that go breed nobody. But make sure say you remember you have grandchildren, Brass. And generational curse is real. Stop make people cuss your pick me and cuss you. Cause I go fall upon your Brass. Me I warn you, Brass. Me. Don't tell a lie on blood clot people. You know people don't say no. Don't say you want bagger, you want argument, you want running. You're so innocent, brass. Everybody's a tell lie on blood clot, you saw. And what about you? Miss Queen Elizabeth, Miss Blood Clot called pussy, Miss England spread pussy, Miss Wet Bed. How wrong with you, sir? Our blood clot wrong with you, sir, brass? Are you torment, sir, brass? Are you Mickey, sir? Blood clot, man, lift up off of me. Me tell you now, don't call me blood clot name. Because me say, me born and grown in one little village near Kingsville in Hanover. Me have nothing to hide. But me talk say nobody boy can come out on the Gaza because the Gaza not entertain batty boy. And my mother have 4 away. My mother live in Atlanta. My brother live in Atlanta. 2 of my brothers in Jamaica. My little sister, which my mother adopt. My little sister and my second brother live in Atlanta. Find them. Me have a problem. Find them. And kill them. I guess what now? We have a burial money. But just remember, say, a kill for kill, science for science, wobia for wobia, everything for every blood clot thing.
Straight.
You want address. What me do you want address? To make me answer the hide? Me don't want it, brass. Me can't give them my address. If you want to come to my inbox, me give you. Me never think the hide. Me legal no blood clot, brass. Me legal.
You're a German
Me
citizen.
have a blood clot key, brass. And me have a post box. Me not torment. Me have a blood clot post box. Me have a post box, brass. So my mail come to me and me name upon my post box. I'm registered with the blood clot government. So we talk about. And then me drop out a girl picture, me drop out a girl document is supposed to drop out. So what the big deal? When they come kill me, come in and bear no name and not play the blood clot game because they give me the name for me to bear the name. So what the problem? Me brass, what the problem now? What the problem is from blood clot?
Because you don't come talk.
Yeah, me talk already, me not hide nothing, me talk the truth. Me talk the blood clot truth. You want me to fabricate story and tell lie, brass? Me, you know, have nothing. Remember you compound big life, and if you remember if I diary, I candy life, you know, one of them girl life, you know, she see me giant, you know, and she say, me mouth a pick me skin a pick me.
I'm out of bada.
I'm out of bada. I'm out the bada. For she see me company life, I'm out the bada. You know why I'm out the bada? We do. For she come and say trending said this. Trending said that me rubber up trending the blood clot, me rubber out trending. We know the girl don't say nothing, brass. How evil and wicked can you be? How wicked and devious can you be, brass? Remember you have grandchildren, brass. Remember you have little picnic. Generational curse is real, brass. Karma is blood clot, real. Our dear big long time woman go see Jesus.
Okay, pretty.
This woman of a Spain, she and next one, she want to make argument with me, you know. She dey make, she dey pick, she dey go, she dey come, she dey go, they come. You can't just put me address coming have nothing to hide. Me can put it all, coming no wanted. I'm not wanted. Germany know me. Me can't go back to Jamaica, they not, me no want me running left no murder case, me running left no blood clot criminal case. Me never brought nobody shot, me never brought nobody out. So why me not left no case down there? So when me say that I mean I'm not the ID for me address, me can drop it out. Leave me alone, man. Stop make problem. Cause me never send nobody girl, man. Me never send nobody girl, man. I'm here to tell people lie. Me say they send the picture, come and see a girl, man. And me say don't put out the girl, man, cause the girl, man, don't do nothing in this. And the people ain't say when they rub for them, pick me pa and everything if they want put out, they put up. Me not no control of no girl, cause me not pay no girl blood clad internet bill or no phone bill. Me no want no control over no girl. And no girl not pay me. They may work undercover. Undercover, your mama bleeding blood clot, brass. You're rude. You're fucking rude. What me work undercover? Can I undercover me? You keep me a blood clot, ya brass.
Baba can't man.
Blood clot enemy. Judas. Blood clot. But this dirty woman come and take said pan blood clot me for. And you Sasha Miller. You dirty blood clot rotten old Sasha Miller. Me never beg you nothing yet a blood clot. So don't come in here, come in know you're no girl. Me know you. Me know blood
Yeah,
clot.
me give her
You.
file.
Don't come for blood clot. Me. Don't come for me. Come in, never call the blood clot old man. Yeah, me say no better the old man. Don't come for me. Come, me no do no wickedness in a life. Don't come for blood clot. Me can't tell. None of you can't tell me no. Cause guess what? My pride and dignity last. And me first day me still not make man fuck me.
But me don't know how she reaching like
So
to
me not
talk
have no
about
shame in my
they are
game.
wicked. You know,
Look
she
at me and you
talk up
cross
your
blood
name.
clot. What I mean when they beat the old man, when they working at the blood clot, when they go do, like you go give the old man tea and something. Me know who. Me
She
know
a
a blood
drive
clot
bus
who to drive
now.
boss. Me know who. Me know her.
Mm-hmm.
Me know her.
It's too enough. Nobody not saying call her.
Yeah. You know where blood clot grave dig they lift up blood clot coffin. They don't know where grave dig, but they lift up blood clot coffin. Brash come for life and tell me say trending that me address. Me not address not about diary picture what link. And blood come on me talk say, you know, put out the woman man and the argument. Done no blood clot. Me
She
actually
said
not
me should give
when she send
when me
for
give
me,
her
for
batty
the
man
blood
the
clot,
picture
see,
for.
and them not have not all. If them want build beef with me, that good for them. Me going to tell the woman but me work undercover. What kind of undercover? Me a blood clot, what brass. Me area, me have the, you see me? Me no come out till me say live blood clot, screenshot. Live shot a blood clot, you brass. Me hear everything. And that me a address. So any girl, me give you about the address again, brass, because you see you need it. What brass? Ask no girl for me address. I could have run on me inbox. Me a one page me blood clot and me name Peter John from blood clot Facebook. Instagram, you could have me name from Facebook too. You could have run on inbox. And blood clot come and say you need me address. I will give it to you. I have no the eye. And if you want the passport, we can get the passport information. Because you can't do me nothing because Germany know me. My hand not dirty. Them a 10 finger, you clean no blood clot. I never left a murder case, I never left no drugs case.
And your
I
blood
push up drugs in
clean.
my body home, I push up in my pussy, I push up in my home. No blood clot. So they tell me, brass, we come to me for dirty brass. Leave me a blood clot when you walk and make problem not too much, man. Go take care of your grandpitney them and teach them the right from the blood clot wrong. Go read book to blood clot them. You are such a brightest woman, you're the richest woman, you have time for bagger. You know who I work undercover, you know who I work private, you know who I work public. Don't come for blood clot me, brass, cause you torment. Your life sad cause you big cold pussy and get no fuck. Till you go on internet, you look a mad man. Me never look at internet, man, yet a blood clot, brass. As big as me is, man fucks me naturally. Man fucks me naturally and pretty blood clot, boy.
Could the
Pretty
big
blood
something
clot, boy. Big
here.
up yourself,
Put the
Tony Chanel, my
hand.
sister. And
Put
me
the
hear when your
hand.
blood clot, there's certain people who come near me. Make them come and make pick. Tony Chanel, you can blood clot chat, cause you know me grandmother. You know me blood clot, yeah, so me yard clean and me house big, no blood clot. Me mama make preparation, me a two brother down a blood clot, Jamaica what do the work. And they make them mansion down at that. So me say, nobody boy can come on there. Cause they will shoot them out of Egypt. And me they want to shoot out when
Talk
they
true,
know they have become
blessing.
good. Nobody boy can come on pan the Gaza. Me say me come from a part when I want to place here. Kingsville, it's spelled Kingsvale. Anybody part you can tell you. Me no hopeless and me no blood clot. Homeless yet a blood clot. Dirty brass your torment. Lift up for me because you can't tell me say trending say. We ain't no trending never blood clot. Yes, we enter the life, your skin a pick you. What kind of pick if you king when they pick your dirty brass? So much a crabby ass you have. A crowbait your blood clot have me just skin a pick you. Torment bagger, internet blood clot test. Internet parasite. Lift up half a blood clot me. Your face big and broad like them blood clot England all long time blood clot chunk. Chunk face brass lift up half of me tell that yo. Dirty orange brass with your pussy in your blood clot. No lift up half of me. Can you go up and if you make any fuck you with a blood clot board hood. You go up and if you make any fuck you with a cosmetic blood clot. Who made blood clot dick. And you wet the girl bed no blood clot. You wet bed no blood clot you rank. Brass your rank. You're gonna they tell Dari lie pan blood clot me. You tell the girl lie pan me if you make me and the girl that beef. Instead you make the war cool down and top big problem and make the woman man picture go out there and they funny the man they not the man they went there they doing work and doing whatever.
Girl belly man no talk truth.
You come and make problem and they tell the girl me work undercover. What kind of undercover me a blood clot work? What kind of undercover you know me work? Can I ever send nobody documents?
Never.
In Tanya, what kind of undercover me I work with you? I don't know I work with undercover with Tanya. I'm supposed to blood clot work, Brash, you work with undercover with everybody. You jump from team to team, no blood clot. You're unstable, your drugs in no blood clot. You can't settle. Your bagger, torment, big back, shutter back, fly back, blood clot. I tell that you know, dirty Brash. This is part for me. You don't have no recording with me, you don't have no file with me, Brash. Okay, you can't tell me, say, me come for subtract shit, because the Bible say go multiply. Me can multiply, so me a subtract and me a divide. But you can multiply your torment, so if I so multiply, go and torment. Me prefer stay with subtraction. Dirty Brass, me tell that you know. Lift apart from a blood clot name, Dirty Brass, me not wearing no obligation. Me come to Germany, come see asylum, me come to blood clot, yo. Me never run left no court case, me never run left no murder case, me never run left no drugs case, no police never beat me, no police never battery me, none of them sitting never am to blood clot me. So what you want me name and me address for Brass, me can't give them, me say, me live a Candace Gasa 9A 3536. Geese, move your dirty blood clot, Brass, find me. And when you come at Frankfurt Airport, you take the train RE30 or RE98 and come off a Geese. Geese banner, me live 5 minutes from the banner if you can find me. I'm not hard to find. And I'm always on the street, Brass. I'm always out on a blood clot about. Whether cold sun or blood clot, shine I'm out. Where come the bother me for? Where come the bother me? Where come the bother me for, Brass? Remember you come tell me say trending, me no know nothing about trending. Me a trending talk, normal. Hi, hello, what's up? How are you, Barra? Don't pay them no mind. This and that. Go and live up your life and make your trending what me a do. Me course them what me a do. Brass me come and tell me if you look at better life, me know what come turn internet pest a blood clot. Me make a dog like all you. Take liberty a blood clot. Me. But me come to focus on what me a focus on, Brass, and you now make me lose focus on the price in the Brass. Me nah lose me way, Brass. Me nah confuse. Me reach at the crossroad. So don't come for me back to the blood clot pit of hell. Brass, I want dip me under me back to and creep for some shit and jam in your eye. The torment, man.
But the ABG community are gonna bring you down with
But no batty boy can't bring me down. Come here, Mr. Kelly, the batty boy bring me down. And then she they don't bring down. Come here, every batty man good. Me every batty man good. Me no minister no batty man. Me no internet pest. Me no torment. Me no discommode nobody. No blood clot. What the problem? What the blood clot when you tell this girl pay life and blood clot me? And you know if you're trending store me a blood clot address. What me go trouble diary for me? Actually, no, me and the girl Candy, no, me and them have no a problem. You want make I say what when I make bag and make no blood clot. Me tear that your Brass. If you far from me, me don't like your blood clot. Dirty Brass, me don't like you. You want me address? You want me address for? Well, if I Candace Gasa 9A 3536 Geese Germany, me don't have nothing a blood clot. I Brass, me no wanted. My fingerprint clean. Brass, me can go for me, I go show you my police record. It is very clean. Pani said no record, because I never commit no crime in Germany. My fingerprint clean. Hello. Me never commit no crime, dirty Brass. Take you make me have to come out in an argument, because I live on blood clot, good blood clot apartment with nurse and blood clot doctor. Good apartment, ask any gyal. Brass at the hospital apartment me live on. Let me give it to you. So you can't last. Find me.
Nah, out all yourself.
Me can't last, Brass. So no girl can't support me address, because no girl know. First of all, a girl live in the country me live. So I lie in the tail. Me talk about Lucy. Me not live a Lucy. Me not live a Lucy. So girl can't support me address. Me live a Kingsville. Me I tell you the rich address. Me say rich you understand German. Me tell you the right address, blood clot. Bruh. If you need it, me can't give it to you. You don't have to ask nobody. You don't have to go through no other channel. Come to Blood Clot me. Come to Blood Clot me, bruh. Come here the fire. Listen up for me, man. But teacher, you put them, the brand, put them ABC and read Blood Clot. Samson Goliath, Joseph story, and all of them story to them. And walk away from internet and tap me bagga brass. All type of destruction come cause your body, man. Lesbian, fucker, girl, prostitute, slut, thief and blood clot criminal. Everybody come because you're angry, yo. Destruction is fall for you. And fall for your second and third generation. Dirty brass. Go pray of generational curse. Generational curse upon your blood clot, bro. So long till you want me and you go down the road. Okay, come tell like panic woman, you know trending never say no. And if the trending say blood clot, it me sorry trending a million times. And I love you, baby. And anytime you're ready, you call me. May you have many things, girls, to catch up on. We have many things to chat about. Because the way it happen, all these things happen that time you not get it. You're sad in the blood clot. Man, you lift up half of me.
She's a roly-poly for true.
Lift up half of me, man. Me not understand any person want a blood clot. Me never trouble you. You come on live and tell me say trending say. And but me mouth me when it come me mouth a bad at me. Like a revival. And what kind of one in the about? What kind of blood clot? Brass I want to take 2 grapefruit and clap in your blood clot and one dry native coconut and lick in your big nose blood clot. Your torment. But your skin a bad at you. Eh? As me come up on the life, you catch blood clot message, you get message deliver. Me kin a bad at me. Me mouth a bad at me. What kind of mouth bad at your blood clot? Me want it. Me know say me want you. Me the missing blood clot child. Me the Amanda alert, dirty grass. Taking a bad at your mouth, the bad at you. When you say me rob no man, I kill nobody.
Talk truth.
Anything when they can come up with, tell them me can't talk. One boy a blood clot country they like me. Tell them me tell the story over. I don't know the story. So they can't talk no, me can't talk the story. One boy from country they like me and the boy they batter me blood clot and they tell out me story. And me say no, this can't go and me have to run the left you. And me run and the boy mad out no blood clot and the boy when season and the batty can me making fuck batam. Me making fuck batty can never batty boy. Me turn him in a batty boy. And he come and he fuck batty and he love batam and he stick on to me like crazy go. To the boy I got in blood clot system that they can say me pussy good so boy supposed to dead over it na blood clot. Boy commit suicide can me mix with gorilla glue with silicone and that me blood clot. Brass me no wagga under me. Brass me do me surgery me nice and me sit down and look good now blood clot brass. Brass Germany pay for me surgery. Brass what you talk about me nice hardcore man what they fuck up my old brass what.
Your husband, you have your husband.
I will go on bad pan the brass. You see me man, you see cars a caliber man, me pick up bagga. Dirty brass. And if you can't last me man look at the airport, so me can gain direction and me can send him picture on my Instagram so you can go look for him. So we see him. He work for the National Air Carrier Lufthansa. So you can go over there go find him. So me no want it, I me not hide. Lift up half of me a blood clot, brass. Me tell that you. Me tell that you now. Go pray. Generational curse off of your pitney, off of you. Cause your torment. Every side you go there make them cuss you like a dog. Everything happen to see a blood clot shark of you. Eh? Why they can't find nobody? Because everybody know the Judas you is. You walk on record, you walk on screenshot. You can't come out with
she record no blood. She record
anyone
everybody.
Come out with me a fraud. That not real.
Somebody I record them right now.
Anything when I want record, me tell that there, me tell that she, me tell that blood clot she, me tell that blood clot she, because she want to make problem. She gonna tell this girl about me and Rob. I may rub diary for me, diary not have nothing. If diary want to beef with me, fine. But me and she not have nothing, me know me and she not nothing. Now me and you have a blood clot appointment, dirty brass. Rat old cemetery, blood clot, old brass. Brass with the blood clot, made arrest dirt and summaries that can blood clot. Why name? Why blood clot cemetery for town name? Made arrest and blood. Me a pen cemetery dirt under your pussy, and you me an address. Dirty brass. If you pass for me, I'm a nice friend trending clean and pretty now, blood clot, brass. Trending video call me, message trending the fucking data. When I see your data, they fuck you. They go for and if you take take blood clot boardhood in your blood clot till you piss up. You wet on the bed, no blood clot. Move your rank, brass, your rank. Brass is a your rank, no bohag. That's where the blood clot go, your piss bed, no blood clot. If one peacock see you run, don't and pick you, your piss bed. Piss bed, brass. If a pass a blood clot, me brass one can you go at the blood clot. What is zoo name? The blood clot, zoo a blood clot, London. Make the pitney them up there, Mackie and Jerry and throw banana skin pan blood clot, yo. Dirty brass, I want put you up as the blood clot. Zoo blood clot statue. I am the boy, bro. I am ugly, 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 ugly. I'm tired of you. Dirty brass, I'm tired of you. Dirty brass, don't come in here and don't mix me and the girl. Them up, come and the girl and have nothing. If they want to build beef with me, fine. Don't call the girl name with me. Me no go on my blood clot work, come on in dirty brass. I lie you tell. They come rub all night tonight. And tomorrow me come from work, me aunt to you again. So just remember.
Yep, aunt to her for bring her
Me
down
aunt to
tomorrow.
her, anybody want to
You
come with
know she
aunt.
go press back live.
Any like she want to press on the blood clot key there. Jesus Christ, take a dirty brass, me come on my skin and out there now. What understand here? If you get a crosses, and don't let me drop the key. Oh God, me key over that side there door. Oh, my key there, yeah. I couldn't bother go wake up the security. But some forgot you have to pass through security to come to me. So when you come, just tell me the date when me put on your name at the gate. I pay the gate to relieve over me. So when the gunman they come, just tell me say, he might come tomorrow. Me not set up no police, Braska. Guess what? I one life we have to live and me know say, for you arrive, you have a blood clot depart. So me no have nothing. Man, don't mix up my name with the girl and don't mix up my blood clot. If you know trending, never say nothing. You walk about you always the ear. You ever the ear. You ever they get some mate. You ever
Big
have
up
some
yourself,
dick.
share them. Yeah, but she have IP. Oh, you for run nobody IP. Move your ugly blood
Run me
clot
IP
and go.
address, brass. Run me IP address because when they come up, it don't say no fraud. No drugs. Me file out clean, dirty brass. Suck out brass. Lick out batty old brass. And you me address. Dirty nasty slime bag brass. You make me have to come out for address here. Dirty brass. You know, I can't park. I can't go to me for brass. Move your dirty blood clot. And the country house me live in. Live in hospital house.
Exactly.
You're too much.
Dirty ugly woman, man. Tired of her, man.
Too much. Tired of you, man. Don't call me blood clot name. You want me to do this long time. You want about to make every problem. We come and make problem for me. Remember you know, you can't tell nobody say, me come here, you can't tell me. The trending say, you talk on big international live. Remember you tell me. Brass must
Mix up.
show you how close me to the train station. So, when you come in, where you stop, at, make sure you screenshot it. Make sure you record, do what you do best. I know the stop. I'm going to show you the name. So you can't laugh. Dirty brass.
She lie, sister. She lie bad. Get some lie on blood clot me. Me have to say, where the
Me
lie for?
tell the woman say me, you send me the work undercover. Me I do this. See? What a girl wicked and contentious. Na blood clot.
When you not for work undercover, you can come up front and do what you do.
Okay.
Cause you nobody no afraid of ugly brassy. Brassy lie and wicked. If brassy can't tell lie on a white man, police them a run her down for the drugs. And she tell the police, she tell lies to the police, them rape her.
In there, where the compound. Let me show you this top Gyal. Let me show you this top brassy. Man, she catch the train name. So she know where she come off.
She lie.
I want my man not the pan here, you know. Look at that dirty boy. He want book up in a girl. Brash the RE90E. Don't go a train. Don't go come on. She sit here and like me I tell her RE98 and RE30. Boy, don't go away, don't go away, don't go away. Don't drive train, man. Turn out me a come. The brass. Nah lie. For your brass. See, yeah, my woman they drive the train, brass. See, train come right from the airport. RE98. Look, brass. Right come. I'm gonna live right up there to brass. I'm sure if I'm gonna be here eat, I show you. Yes, at it and know we have blood clot. Come on. See the good trade the company, yeah? Let me show you, brass. See it here, RE98. You're coming off a geese. Just remember, look on the place, brass. You can't last.
You
You can't.
man sick.
Brass, you're not coming after you're happy fine where they go. See the ban off there, this is a train station. See the ban off. Some tell me 5 minutes away. You can't last. When the gunman they come, just tell him if he come. Dirty so good, brass. Tell that yo.
No, her pussy she has something on it. She should come out clean. She a dirty
My man
sodomite.
Germany clean. Me love if I drop one paper then sue yo. See the brass you can't last. And see name the geese. You spell G-I-E and the B is a special B called Upsilon in Germany. E-N. But you can spell it G-I-E-S-E-N-N. E-N, sorry. Dirty brass. They can't last. So could lick out batty old, nyam old brass. So me live on the blood clot apartment with the blood clot nurse and doctor them. Me can't make the noise. So that's why I couldn't argue with them in the house because it's late. And the people have to go to work a morning just like me. And after 11 now. And the nice time in Germany, you have to tone down after 10 during the week. But tomorrow, I left work, brass, I have all the men. Make them come live in our village named Kingsvale. Anybody pan here, the pan Kingsvale, come here, come here, mix up Gyal in the pan here.
I
Hey, you said
can't
that
wait
yes,
for
brass.
come there.
She sent you ready, you come, you're welcome.
Hmm?
We tell that already.
Dirty brassy for go man, liar and
And
wicked.
brass, one hotel there right next to me yard, so you can't laugh. If you don't know if you stay, you can see in the hotel. I mean, I pass us every day. 24/7, see the hotel, you have the hotel brass. See it there, hotel. So you can stay there, you're the gunman. Because you know, if you go a country, you're not going to find nobody called Atlanta then there. One of the Atlanta, then visa, one of them visa, then green card can go and come. Because one thing, my mama make way for online pitting them with who a batty man, who a thief, who a criminal.
Talk
Yeah,
truth.
right. And my grandma is 100 and odd year old, she don't make problem, brass. So nobody better can follow we a long liver. I tell you that you know, live apart from me, because you
That
cause
way I waste her time, but she asked for my mother address there. She never
tell
know
lie
what she
and
get
blood
herself
clot
in.
me. You know what you tell me. So why you say me I make problem with you? When you tell me say the woman say so and the woman say she don't say nothing. Brass, and I believe trending 101 blood clot percent. A trending one say anything trending can. In a trending one tell you the worst about me. She's supposed to because I like trending, I love trending. And everybody has a special side and everybody have who they want to talk to. Me I know girl not have nothing, me every girl good. And me say, me every girl good until a girl come for me.
My
Then
mama Barbara go with me. I'll be a nurse. I train to be a nurse.
me not tell I hear admin on my course now they go on. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell anybody, me go, if you go do porter work, and the man say, no, no, no. Me can't tell A porter work me go figure do. If you push people and the woman said no. You have to go do the hospital. I said, miss, me not the break do that right now. The one said, where you gonna find? You see, the woman tell me in English.
Cause the woman see potential, you
The
understand?
woman see me something in front. Then our friend them want to give up me address can tell us me was a working class at Jamaica. Me
But
work
we
at
don't know
hotel, me
why
teach
very
at
but we
school,
don't know
me
why
work
very often in
everywhere.
every woman argument. Him say him done and him gone. Where am I come back from?
But
I
in the
don't
top where we drop out my
understand.
address. If me not have no address, me not nothing to hide. Me woman have a wanted man down there. Me not have nobody who wanted. But my brother do this, me two brother them do the work what everybody do. And then graduate from school and graduate with them so they can for them want to choose a
Yes,
partner. The
George.
mama can't tell them what part to choose. What all he do, he make sure they get them. Then green card, everybody alright. Everybody alright.
So it
So me
for
say,
go.
my mama no live a country, my mama live a Atlanta 6 years now. 6 years. A 6 year my mama left from 2014. She had a visa, she go and come till finally she stopped 2014. So from 2014 she not go back. She go to Jamaica about visit. She lived there in a nice house in Atlanta, big judgment house. And my mama don't hate me. Me can call her right on the live, yeah. Me not nothing they hide. Not a blood clotting. Any girl want to take my mama picture, take it down because my mama at Gyal. At blood clot Gyal.
Exactly. Suki them want cuss. Look how diary, I want to ask you
My
one
mama
thing.
at blood clot
Rally
Gyal.
did
Me
never
not nothing
come
they
on
hide.
social media come
Me
cuss.
not have nothing they
And
blood
you
clot
cuss
hide.
rallying every day.
Me not
So
have a
wait
secret
there.
in a no
Peanut a
bag.
man and rallying a shell. A liar blood clottel. Continue press my button and say me no put it out. You better come off of
As
my
me,
name, you know.
as me say,
Alright.
Tanya, just make the man stay. Cause the man no, you understand? Make sleeping dog lie. And that me have to
Me tell
dirty girl.
diary.
This walking
You cuss
cemetery.
me cuss you. Go on and leave my name out of your mouth. You don't have no blood
I just
clot
that me like
link.
how
Is
innocent
a
people that get caught up
dry
in
up.
this. Peer innocent
Is a
people
dry
just
up
like get
spit. And you dip on
caught
social
up.
media and make
Hmm?
threats like you're a bad girl. And you know you're no blood clot bad girl.
Yeah, when the woman says she'll drop out my address, Brash, I'm get the address one more time. It is Kandelsgasse 9A. In German it's 9A. A is A in German. No get in English, cause maybe you're not gonna understand the Dutch. Brass. And if I want me send it, just run on my inbox and me send it to you. Me I can me can take one and picture of my letter with my name, everything, brass, cause me no have nothing to hide. There is nothing there to hide about me, brass. There is no, me come from big one, me my big, and me big and me can do, me gastric bypass and me slim down and look nice, brass. Me not ugly, my mother have 4 pitney, and he adopt my little sister from me, I was my uncle pitney, but my uncle head partner so right, and he adopt my daughter, and my mother get full custody of him, and she live a blood clot Atlanta. My mother usually work at hotel, and then she left, and I pick me then tap her from work, because they might make the millions, they might make the stack and pile, they might make the millions. One I want big plaza, don't I want place in Green Island. Make your every evidence, bruh. One big blood clot plaza, one build down there, feeding it. Go down there and ask. Big. We don't have one place in Hanover, so when you go. Kill them all on blood clot done, brass.
Oh, Tada. That
Yeah,
channel body wicked
because you
flip
want
flop bitch.
address.
Everywhere
Brass
you go, you
there.
cause
Or if
problem,
you work, brass,
brass.
the big hospital, them have to show brass. Don't you send your organ clinic at the eye clinic days. So you can't last and me walk so walk up at the big part. Me working at the hard part and me move now. Gonna intensive infection with the people who have the corona, deadly corona, brass. I them here work now. I want you come in there, no blood clot. You would want to come in there. Me get the anesthesia and your big back shut about blood clot and overdose and kill you. I say me no. They come for me.
Right. Go away, man, allow people.
Too much now. Too much
Too
of you,
much. I
brass.
don't want the people all
Nah,
of the things them, but nobody
yeah.
know to do no. I lie when I tell.
See the brass med school there so too. When you want to midwife, for you come right over your section, yeah. I live right up this brass. Me not there. I'll make sure the house. My blood clot. See the brass. See the apartment there. The one with the light down your saw there, so me live on the 4th floor. We not nothing the hide brass. Nothing.
When I done with you,
Okay.
live a countdown.
And brass,
When I done
yeah,
with your dirty blood clot diary, as
brass.
long as you're there
I'm
for my name,
saving the
I add
rest
to
for
you.
I'm saving the best for later. Cause I know you'll be coming in your tens and your thousand. And I'll be ready.
You're gonna
So
boom you down.
have a good night. And brass go read your Bible and pray on top his bed. Your
Piece of
piece bed
better
nasty
go.
blood clot. You go for Annie, go piece on the bed. Your rank.
So the
Brass
woman huge, man.
post back. Teacher brass. Me a
Jesus, the
post
woman
back.
big.
See me name away there. Brass see me name yeah. Tell you see me I'm a post back dirty brass. Dirty brass.
Go away, man, I come off of people, man.
Old brass. Tired of you. See your 4th floor, me I go brass. See them, me not the hide. 4th floor. So me
The
can't lie.
woman lie till the woman tell lie upon police to pussy clot. She know why the police them a pull her over every time and I say, Munchi and Antoinette blood clot do it too lie. Liar dirty woman.